I know, Mr. Sen. You have to do a lot of things to maintain goodwill in business. I can totally understand. You have to lie for high-profile clients too. Am I right, Miss Tina Singhal? Oh, I'm really sorry. I forgot that your best friend was also involved in this. Madhuri, what's wrong with your son? Huh? In order to save Diya, you are accusing Niharika and Tina? What happened? Why are you hesitating? Look, you did all this for money, right? So that your high-profile client is happy. But let me tell you one thing, Mr. Sen. After what you did, our family won't be giving you any business. So now, tell everyone the truth and save the little respect you are left with and get out of here. Come on.
Just stop it, Arjun. You can't insult me like this.
What happened, Tina? Why are you so nervous? I mean, don't be so scared. I saw you so scared for the first time. Strange. By the way, tell me something. Why did you do this? By the time I came back home, Tina and Niharika's plan had already worked out brilliantly. Everyone had believed that Diya is a thief. Tina would never do that. She has always supported Diya. Mr. Agarwal, listen to me at least. Just as bread needs butter and boost needs nibbles, similarly, you need proof to be convinced, which I have. I knew you wouldn't believe me otherwise. But Miss Tina Singhal is Mr. Sanjeev Singhal's daughter. Proof?
You need to falsely accuse Diya of selling the jewelry.
Here's the proof, Mom.
Dear Lord,
Take a look. You too. You watch it too. Did you watch it? Look. Look at yourself. You empathize with Diya out of the blue and prove to everyone that you were great. It was your plan, so that everyone thinks that you're so big-hearted. But you were conspiring and scheming on the sly because you wanted Diya thrown out of the house. And then you wanted to come back into my life. Miss Tina Singhal, I must admit, you're a great player.
This house is as much Diya's as it is Arjun's. You will not leave and go anywhere.
Will you be able to forgive me?
Auntie, please. You call me daughter and now treat me like a stranger? Diya and Arjun are made for each other. It'll be proved now. I'm super sure, Auntie. Everything will be fine.
I never used to like you. But I started liking you gradually. When Arjun married Diya, the pain and hurt I felt for you was more than what I felt for myself. I started considering you as my daughter. When I couldn't share my sorrow with anyone, I used to cry in front of you. I would confide in you. But today I have realized that it was all a misunderstanding on my part. I failed to see that you were playing with my emotions and sentiments under the garb of a close confidant. And you? You, Niharika? It's usually an insider who leads to the family's ruination.
Mom, I'm innocent, Mom. Trust me, it's not my fault, Mom. I didn't do anything. Please forgive me. It's not my fault. Tina is behind everything. It was her. She instigated me against Diya. Mom, she asked me to help her to out Diya from the house, Mom. It's not my fault, Mom. Trust me. I didn't do anything, Mom. Mom, I beg you, please trust me. It's not my fault. It was her, not me. Mom, I forbade her. You can punish me as you deem fit, but it was not me. It was her. Trust me, Mom. Please, please. Mom, I forbade her from doing it, but she dismissed me, Mom. She framed me, Mom. Mom, please trust me. It's not
Niharika,
my fault.
just like you, I find your apology fake too. Now, coming to the last part of the drama, which is very important. Where women are not honored, even the gods are not pleased. You consider that prayers and divinity should be brought to the house. But she's a woman too. You worship her. But this woman left her family behind to become a part of ours. You disrespected her. Why? Just because you don't like her. You worship one while you insult the other. You humiliated Diya in front of the goddess. You insulted a woman. How could you do that? Did you think that the goddess would be pleased to see all of this? No. Not at all, Mr. Agarwal. You have hurt Diya's self-respect, Mr. Agarwal. But by the way, I don't expect anything from you. I expect nothing. But if there's something you can give, then you should restore the respect Diya has lost. Apologize to her. Apologize, Mr. Agarwal.
My dear, I fail to understand your intentions. My foolishness broke your heart. I know you are hurt. Please try to forgive me, dear.
Mr. Agarwal. I'm sorry, Dia.
No, Dad. Please don't apologize. I just want to say one thing, that one shouldn't judge one's character just because of money. I have learned how a person's character should be. We didn't have enough money, but we had everything in life. Tina, Niharika doesn't like me. I know that. But you, I always looked upon you as a good friend. Whenever I saw you before today, I used to feel guilty because Arjun didn't marry you because of me. I always hope for the betterment. I wish that, dear Lord, whatever bad has happened, I hope that the things become right with you as well, Tina. Wish you more happiness. I want the same even today, Tina. But I don't feel guilty anymore. But today is different. Arjun, the reason behind what Tina and Niharika did to me is their hatred towards me. They are not bad at heart. Please forgive them and end this matter here.
No, Dia. The matter isn't over yet. Go in and get some rest.
But Arjun,
I said go!
Arjun, I have no problem with Dia, okay? I just did this all for Tina only. Trust me.
Didn't you want us to share a relationship? Well, we have one now. Of hatred.
no, Arjun. No. Please. Please don't say that. I can't see hatred for me in your eyes, Arjun. Yes, I made mistake. Today, because of me, Dia is in a big problem. Because of me, everyone thought she was a thief. But what could I do, Arjun? What could I do? Whenever I see her, I'm reminded of my incomplete love story. You know I loved you, Arjun. I still do. Her arrival deprived me of my dreams, and even you, Arjun. I dreamt of spending my whole life with you. And you chose her over me. One accusation against Diya made you so restless, Arjun. But have you ever thought about me? I'm also a human. It hurt me a lot, Arjun. It hurt a lot when you left me for her.
Today, I, Arjun Agarwal, make a promise as Diya's life partner that I will fulfill her dreams and help her scale greater heights in her life.
What belonged to me until yesterday became a dream in an instant. It felt as if someone snatched my life. Someone snatched my existence. I could neither get your love nor your friendship. And I'll live without it. I'll live with what I have, but please don't hate me, Arjun. Please don't hate me, Arjun. Please.
You stole the jewelry at night and went to sell it in the morning. And your mobile was also switched off. I know middle-class girls like you. I know your standing.
I won't let this woman stay here even for a moment. Get out of here.
Diya? Come on. Get ready now. Everyone is waiting for you downstairs.
Deepika, I don't feel like going downstairs. Today, you people perform the prayer. I want to be alone for some time.
Diya, Tina has left. And Mom scolded her a lot. And she asked her not to come to this house ever again.
Didn't you want us to share a relationship? Well, we have one now. Of hatred.
It's good. It's good that everyone found out the truth. Even I didn't want to stay in that house. I had grown tired of pretending to be good. I was done attacking stealthily. Now, I'll do it openly. I'll give you so much pain that you'll regret snatching Arjun away from my life. In order to fulfill your dreams, you ruined my life. You broke my spirit. You left me distraught. Wait and watch, Diya Mukherjee. You'll suffer dearly. I'll make sure of that. Hello? Where are you? Diya, I know that whatever happened to you today was absolutely wrong. When your dear ones say hurtful things, it leaves us miserable. But Diya, whether someone believes it or doesn't, nobody can change the fact that you are our daughter-in-law. Diya, I'm going downstairs. Please get ready and come downstairs.
Diya, Arjun has called you downstairs along with your luggage.
What? Along with her luggage?
Yes, Arjun is very angry. He wants her to pack her stuff.
Is Arjun looking to leave the house?
What? How can Arjun leave the house? I won't let that happen. Deepika, I promised Mom that I won't let Arjun suffer again. And today I'll become the reason for him leaving the house. No. This is not possible. Where is Arjun? I'll talk to him.
Arjun has locked himself in the room.
Locked himself?
Oh no. What will happen now?
Deepika, What will happen now? How should I make him understand? He has locked himself in.
Diya, no one can reason with Arjun now. Whenever he locks himself in, no one from the family dares to talk to him. I'll go and talk to mom now.
Can keep this in the guest room.
Kush,
Niharika,
Kush,
please.
listen to me.
Niharika,
Kush,
don't touch
forgive
me, please.
Kush, don't do
Niharika,
this to me.
leave me.
Kush, hear me out.
Leave
Kush,
me.
please forgive me. Kush,
Niharika,
Kush,
let
it's
go.
not
Leave
my
me, please.
fault. I didn't do it. Please, Kush, please hear me out. It was Tina's plan. I didn't
I
do
know
anything.
who has
Kush,
done
please
what.
understand. Tina instigated me. She instigated me against Diya. Please forgive me.
Niharika,
Kush,
shut
listen
up.
to me.
Shut up, Niharika, shut up. Enough is enough. Your melodrama won't work on me this time. Do you remember what I told you last time? I told you if you did anything of that sort again, I'd forget that we shared a relationship. Henceforth, we go our own separate ways. We aren't together anymore. You can do whatever you want to. Just leave me alone. Thank you.
But honey, we are together, honey.
Niharika!
Where are you going? Kush, please.
Don't you dare touch me,
Kush,
Niharika.
Kush, please hear me out. Kush, please. Honey, please hear me out. Honey, please. Honey, listen to me. Please. One time, please listen to me. Yeah. That's good. That he himself moved in the guest room. Because I can't stay there. All this is happening just because of that Diya. I'm not going to spare her. Just one more chance. And I'll teach her a lesson. Oh my lord, the whole family is upset with me right now. So Niharika, now you have to pretend more convincingly to be a good daughter-in-law. Only then the family will believe you. It's going to take a lot of time, huh? But it'll be done. Tina honey is also not with me now.
I feel like killing that girl, Diya. I can't tolerate her now. Today, because of her, there was so much hatred in Arjun's eyes for me.
Calm down, Tina. Have some water.
I can't calm down, Karan. I can't. Didn't you tell me that you had a plan to stop Diya, huh? Tell me the plan. I'll complete the plan. Tell me, Karan. Tell me. No matter what, I don't care. Diya shouldn't reach the camp. Not at any cost.
I thought you would complete the plan by staying in Arjun's house. But now,
What is this, Karan?
the plan to destroy Diya and Arjun. History is going to repeat itself.